Alright. I've seen a lot of people adding solder flux and all that crap. I don't agree with that method. You can see here, if you look closely, you can see I've lifted up the leg of the diode, and it's still there. So basically I can put that thing back down anytime I feel like it. So that's the way I would do the Mars mod on this radio. And then if you actually have trouble with it, you can, put it back on there, send it into Icom for repair or whatever the hell. But anyways, yeah, that's just my take on that.